Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto. Today we will take a look at Uptrend, which is a social networking platform. We'll run over some of the basic fundamentals of the platform and the project, and then have a look at the 1UP token, which is the native currency of the platform. So if you are interested in finding out more, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's begin, and how Uptrend works is what we are interested in finding out. And at the basis of Uptrend are four foundational pillars, which are the distribution of wealth, the freedom of speech, equality of opportunity, and data privacy. So let's take a deeper look into each one of these. So the distribution of wealth. You should be paid for your passions, whether you are posting, commenting, or even reading. On Uptrend you earn. We take what we earn on the ad you see and give it right back to you. Every time your post or comment gets upvoted, you earn. The higher your level, the more you will earn. Uptrend is a movement to shift the wealth of power from corporations back to the people. And that is what we are looking for. If people are active and they are actively posting, commenting, or even just reading on Uptrend, you earn, which is great, because a lot of platforms you do not get that option to earn while you're browsing, for example. So the freedom of speech, we believe you should be able to freely voice your opinions. We believe that companies shouldn't censor based on their subjective opinions and biases. Our world is meant for diversity. The diversity of opinions and voices is what makes us all unique. The equality of opportunity, so algorithms should be transparent and fair. New users should be able to get just as much visibility as other users. Quality should be more important than seniority. On Uptrend, no matter who you are, rich or poor, your opportunity to earn is to be seen as equal. And then data privacy, which is, privacy nowadays is massive, especially in the world of cryptocurrency. There's a lot of coins specifically out there just for privacy, so if Uptrend can add data privacy into this, then that's a great feature and obviously a great foundational pillar to have. So how do you earn the points on the platform? So number one, receiving an upvote on your post or comment. The sharing economy, so reposts earn you 50% of the points. Receiving donations from other users. Daily activity bonus, visit 10 pages in a day. So what that means there, for example, if you visit a page, you get that daily point. You can do that to a maximum of 10 times per day, so with a maximum of 10 points just for visiting other pages on the platform. There are monthly and weekly contests. Inviting new users onto a platform, I believe you have to be a minimum level 5 to get points from that. And then also exchanging tokens for points. There's several different things you can do with these points. So you can level up. So the higher your level, the more points you earn per upvote. Every level up earns you more points for every upvote. Once points are allocated to leveling up, they are locked into your account, and I will show you the points section in a minute on my profile. You can purchase them, so advertisement placement in the sidebar. You can redeem for crypto, exchange your points for 1UP tokens, which is the native currency, and I will talk through the tokenomics in a moment on CoinMarketCap. And then tokens can be then traded on a third-party exchange, which we'll also run through soon. To say, does it cost anything to upvote? No, upvoting is completely free. If we just run down to the bottom, I'm not going to run through the rules because a lot of them are quite basic, and you should read through them before you join up, just to make sure that you are doing everything as you should. If we just scroll down a little bit to here, so the exchanges that the 1UP token is listed on is currently P2P, B2B, IDEX and Altilli exchange. And just to run over the points there, so what is an upvote on Uptrend worth? So at level 1, one upvote is 0.45 tokens, and 1 point equals 1UP token. And then you can see the value again. That takes you a link to CoinMarketCap, which we'll show you very shortly. If we take a look over the platform now, so If you look here, the activity bonus, that is what I say, a maximum of 10 points per day, and that's for just basically visiting a page, either reading it, liking it, commenting. But I think you do believe you have to stay on that page for around 30 seconds for the point to activate. Below that you have your current level, so I'm currently level 9. And as you build up, you can see here, once I get to 595, I will be able to click level up, and then that will take me to level 10, and then the points reset to the next amount, and then you just carry on working your way through them. Then points are earned. So for example, if we look at this post here, which was one of my my last post, which was yesterday, 19 hours ago. So I've had 463 views, and this is how many people have upvoted it so far. And then comment 0. As you can see, each post has had quite a lot of, so my engine post here had quite a lot of work, so 175 each. If we click onto that, we'll take you into a section of the post, and it will give you a rundown of everything that I've got points wise. So as you can see down here, all these comments, each of them add to points which go onto my total. If I click the up button there, that also makes sure the person who gives me that comment also gets a point. So just click on that one there, and Mobcast will receive. I've already voted on it. For some reason it's saying 0, but yeah, that will happen. And you can get, let's say, X points. Here we can see people can donate your points for the post, which is also cool. And I've had quite a lot of comments on that. As you can see, the social engagement on this platform is really good. To view your points and where they have come from, if you click on your profile up here, scroll down to points history, it then gives you a breakdown of where the points come from. So if we take this point 16.2, that was from somebody upvoting my recent post. And as you can see, if you scroll further down, you can see a breakdown of exactly where all your points come from. Moving over to CoinMarketCap, we can have a look at some of the key stats. So Uptrend, which is 1 up, currently ranked 1007 out of all cryptocurrencies, with a market cap of $834,000. Current token price is 0.004086, currently trading 11% down on the day. Total supply is just under 1 billion tokens, with 204 million of them in circulation. Scrolling down, what I'm interested in is the all-time high was in September of last year, and that hit just over 5 cents. So you can see we're a fair way off from there now, but we will have a look at that on the chart very shortly. A brief look over Etherscan. So as you know, it is an ERC20 token, and over on Etherscan it is the block explorer for all tokens, and you can see all the movements and who's holding what. So currently we have 2,734 holders, with 22,570 transactions, so that does show that it's been fairly active since the birth of the token. Transfers, you can see, plenty have been going through. If you look at the holders, we have 76% of the supply in the main development wallet. That is what the team will hold. You can see there's a fair old stack, 1%, that's 14 million held on IDEX. And just to finish off with the tokenomics, Uptrend and the 1UP token has a deflationary model. So it does say after burning 9 billion tokens from the total supply, on the 27th of July we are committed to make the 1UP token become a deflationary token. That is great for holders in the future because you know that the supply will go down. It does say further down, this is from last year, so I'm not going to read into depth about it because all the numbers have changed, but it does say here there will be monthly burning, so we will be burning 30% of the amount of points Uptrend members use to level up each month, and that will take the supply down gradually over an amount of time. It does say that the Uptrend Community Growth Fund, in addition to a burn, will also be allocating an additional 20% of the invested point amount to the Community Growth Fund, which is also, it's quite a cool part to have, and it does say that it gives back to the community. So let's finish up by just having a look over the chart. So now it's trading. Currently looking at P2P, B2B. Usually I would look on TradingView, but it's not a major exchange yet, so there's no data for me to do any technical analysis. As you can see, it is trading fairly often. As you can see in my trade history, that's just today, and you can see that people are actively buying and selling it. if we just have a zoom into the chart, we have the daily up here. This is against Bitcoin. As you can see, it's a very, very different chart to the top 50 coins, because a lot of them are pretty much tracking Bitcoin, and ever since that dump that we had on 13th of March this year, then everything's been on the up, and this seems to be doing the opposite, really, to be honest. We've not seen, it's been a little bit of a downward trend here, so it's obviously not following Bitcoin, which is quite common, knowing that the lower caps tend to do their own thing, really. But yeah, I mean, in reality, can't see it much going lower. I mean, if you were looking to buy an entry price, that's a very, very bottom price that you would get. But in my opinion, I can't see it going back down there. We hit them yearly highs, and then we've come back down, but it has been on a slightward downtrend recently. So if you're looking to buy this as an investment, I'd buy around here now, in my opinion, and then just hold it for future. If you're looking just to use the tokens to sell, then have a look at liquidity and see what exchange is offering the best price currently. But yeah, as I say, I can't do much technical analysis, as we don't have really much data there, and we don't have any trading tools to, for example, draw Fibonacci's and anything like that. So that will wrap it up for today. That is a basic overview of what Uptrend is. Please make sure you do go on to Uptrend and follow my account over at Operation Crypto. Please make sure you do like and comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help me out a real lot. So that will do it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you later.